All right. Hey guys. So, we're going to be jamming out to a little cool music, and we're going to be finishing up this road app. We've gotten pretty far in it today, so let's see where it's at, take a look, and see if we can wrap this thing up today. Let's do it. All right. Here we are. Let's see. This has all been fine for a while, so nothing too bad here. We got the main sort of recordings view, have all the little bits and bobs there. So that looks like that's pretty good. We can finally delete that screenshot for reference. Um, the white here still feels big. It feels like a lot of white, a whole lot of white. So maybe we should soften this a little bit now that we're here. We're just doing a final pass through on all this work. How does that look? Too dark. Too light. Kind of right in the middle there, maybe. D9, maybe. D9. No, I still don't like that. So, we may almost need a new color here. 6A might feel about right. Yeah. That'll be good for now. We can always tweak these colors. This yellow is just a lot. So let's bring that down. Soften it. I think my biggest beef with the former road app example is just the use of color. It was so strong. It was really challenging. So, oh yeah, we still have this little mixer action down here to do. We get that done, and then we're basically like at a finished prototype. We need to do update firmware. That and a channel assignment here, so we still have like a decent amount of stuff to kind of wrap up on this bad boy. Gotta love a little DCMA free. And like a lot of this is just Oop. A lot of this is just dropping in icons and stuff, you know? Bold, but like it's a weird eye. You want one of these like fancy serifed eyes, I suppose. Like they're using a different font than we are though. Um, yeah, maybe like extra bold. Yeah, extra bold. There we go. That'll work. Perfect. Are you still feeling this music, or do we want to do something else? Yeah, a little cyberpunk action. So we like this whole no color, active, not active kind of deal. Looks like these are like 2 pixel white, or is it a difference in pixel size? Nope, just a color. Isn't that funny how color changes a lot of this stuff? Oh, my light isn't bright enough. Yeah, that's a little better. Yeah. Why is it that all microphone stands are just poop? All of my microphone stands are poop. It's like they can't handle base reality. Whoop. There we go. I'm just going to mess around with my microphone stand for about 5 minutes while we're doing this. That'll be great. Great content. Yeah, so it's clearly the same suite of icons, just without the color treatment. A little bit longer, and like, I'm fine with this. This is fine. So like, we just remove that. Just the rectangle, not the gear. It's the same color as the background. So we'll make this not necessarily a white. We want this to be a near gray. Why don't we just use this gray? What is this, 7F? Alright, we'll use 7F for this. And then so we use deactive gray for that. So we'll just do a bunch of these. Yeah. Yeah, none of these are actually components. All of them are detached. So we're just gonna. Does this detach? How do we detach it? Control Alt B. All these keyboard commands are just weird, man. See, that's nice. You can click inside it and it goes right to the right place. See, that's a nice use of variables. You just use the deactive gray. Go here. We'll do. Yeah, so we'll do all of these, and then we'll show like browser and virtual, and like, you know, you need to like have an understanding of these things, I suppose, but like it's kind of whatever. Grab this controller. It's nice how they all just slap into place. Deactive gray. So, Control Shift B, Control Alt B. Oh, is it Control Shift B? No, it's Control Alt B. Alright, so did it work? It doesn't work. Alright, well, right click is sometimes just as fast. You know. Gear, get rid of the gear. You know, it's just like just as easy to like go in and like just boom, boom, boom. You know, we can name all these layers. So it's just this simple. So we want browser and virtual. So what do we like here? That one's pretty rad. That one's pretty rad. All of these are pretty rad. We're gonna go with this one. Oh wait, no, this one's white. This cube. All right, we're gonna get cube. Interesting. Yeah, we can. Let's. Wonder why they chose just like a cube. This one's probably the closest. Or like this. You know, we're trying to do an evolution of the design, not like a one for one. So we want to pick something nice. But like I would do this one without the top line. Like we can modify it. Um, ugh, I hate vector illustration. It's like, okay, cool. So like, do I want to do like an intersection and just copy this? I can do that. There's probably a faster way to do this. Cool. Pathfinder. There we go. That's how you do it. A little vector art for you today. Boom, ba, bing. Bada boom, bada bing. Yeah, that's pretty close. A little weird, but pretty close. I mean, we take it. All right. Cool. So we're done with channel assignment. Oh, and like, you know, each of these micro interactions would take some time. Like, how do I select this and it just appears up there? So like maybe we have one that's like this, and then we have and then this one. So we do that. A little bit of that. A little bit of this. We do another. Do the green gradient. That's cool with us. It's cool with me. Hit enter. Snag this guy. Get rid of this guy. Hit that guy. Paste that guy. Whoa! Oh yeah, we gotta detach this. Hit this guy. Paste this guy. Fill is gonna be custom. Blackity black. Black is midnight. Oh, we want the 1-7, don't we? Yeah. So I think we got it like that. Let's just go ahead and look at the road app. So there is this plus here. I guess we forgot about the plus. Oh, and then an X comes over on mouse over. All right, cool, cool, cool. All right. How do we do states? Um, hmm. Something else I need to look up in Figma, I suppose, is like state management. So like, okay, when on mouse over, how do I get into a different state? I got so good with Adobe XD with this type of shit. Um, okay, so we got some like advanced interactions. In Figma, I would basically just design like a mouse over state for that. And like, there's a bunch of time consuming ways to do it. Um, just a little tricky. So, you know, as I extend an interaction design, I can definitely like handle those types of things. But we're building this whole thing from scratch. So like building out those interaction flows would be like a day job, and I would just build out an example of those interaction flows in a separate file. We're mapping out the entire UI right now. So this is a bit more of like a UI diagram than an interaction diagram. That's all I'll really say about that. But we need the ability to X out of these. And we need the plus. We need the plus. So let's do the plus. All right, let's string a little bit of this stuff together. So I would like to like take this and have like different variables for this, so that when I hit these buttons, it just flips over the state. But I honestly think that Adobe XD was a little better at that than Figma right now. Damn, dude, I got so good at fucking Adobe XD. It's a real shame that that software got like iced, man. Like my manager was like, "We're using the Adobe suite of products," and I was like, Figma's pretty bussin'." And they were like, "Nah, Adobe XD," and then like it just didn't have the shareability. It's all about design in the browser and link sharing and the ease of affordances that that provided, but like they weren't fucking having it, man. All right, so let's start stringing out this prototype. Let's see what this smart animate looks like. Let's run it. Okay. All right, so we need hmm. How do they do that? Is there an easy way to do like click off? What I need is yeah, overlay looks nice. Okay. So prototype this. Yeah, okay. There, 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 there. Alright, so we can work with something like that. Sometimes you just get like happy accidents like that. Um, okay. Oops. Okay, great. So, see, that's easy. Now we have this like overlay with no fill. So we just replicate this. So copy, paste, paste, and then we just have go to the prototype. Hmm. Okay, so it retains. Good, it retains the properties. Then we go down here to main add mixer. We got the overlay. All right, cool. So now, is this bitch locked? Oh, it's overridden or whatever. Hmm. Gotta organize my layers. I don't want to organize my layers. Said every designer ever. Oh, these are all locked. No shit. Yeah, the tricky thing about these componenties is just stuff like that. So we go down here. This one's kind of extracted. So we're going to do the same thing. Just pull the color out of it. This is sort of the way that I've been doing it for a long time. I don't know if it's the right way. There's probably a better way, but you know, it's definitely one way. So alright, we got these all linked up. So let's just go ahead and try it out from the jump. Why does this flow 2, by the way? And what's flow 1? Yeah, this is flow 1, bud. Alright. It's kind of cool. Little messed up smart animate situation going on. Hmm. Update of the office. Overlay here. What's this look like? Is this, yeah, this to subtract? Where is it? Oh, it's here. Okay. All right, cool. Problem solved. Yeah, we don't have... We forgot a few on Mixer. Yeah, well, we're almost there. I mean, I don't know exactly which instance that is, but not sure how that one's linking back. Bit confused by that. Let's just take this one, copy it, and then say, okay, girl, navigate to main add sound. See if that works. Yay! Alright, we got it. Hell yeah. It's like pretty close to pixel perfect. I can make it like pretty close to pixel perfect. I could keep on adjusting and tweaking this, but I'm relatively happy with this for like, you know, a few weeks of work. Let's get everything else. Let's get everything else wired up. See that? Components. This is all, yeah, this is all components. So which one's the master? I think this one is. All right. This one's gonna take a little bit more time. Man, we're getting close to wrapping this thing up, though. Let's listen to something else, huh? Nah. Mm-hmm. This works. Dude, I don't want to build the fucking update firmware screen. I just, like, don't. They need to make it so that I can just have it navigate to channel system preferences, system mixer channel assignment, so that I can just say navigate to this, and then I have that instance on all my components. Like, obviously. Why do I have two update firmwares? All right, we're like basically done here. Let's. All right. Prototyping is always the fun part. I missed that entire screen. Get out of here. Whoop. Come on, dude. I just did that shit. What's up with that? Where are my links? It says I have them right here. going on here, dude? Just try this. This thing's all fucking busted. Ugh. Alright, this is something to figure out another time. I gotta get going. But we also need to figure out how to get back from here. There's no back. So we'll figure all that out. We're getting close. We're like almost done here. We almost have our loops. So pretty good. Pretty good for a day's worth of work. You know, not bad. I need to be designing in full screen mode, I think. Alright, well. Alright, I hope you guys had fun today. Enjoyed a little bit of a live design session. This is just work. This is what we do. Alright, see you next time.